Genetic algorithms can optimize solutions faster than traditional methods in just a million iterations. Used in various fields like engineering, finance, and artificial intelligence, these algorithms mimic natural selection, evolving solutions over time. Typically, a population of potential solutions is created with each individual assessed for fitness. Through selection, crossover, and mutation, new generations emerge, as high-performing solutions are retained. These algorithms have been applied to complex problems such as route optimization, where they can reduce travel distances by over 20%. Remarkably, they can tackle problems deemed unsolvable by other techniques, showcasing their amazing versatility. Alright, so how do genetic algorithms work? Imagine you have a puzzle and you want to find the best solution. Instead of solving it by trial and error, genetic algorithms start with a group of random solutions. Each solution, also known as an individual, is evaluated based on how good it is. This is its fitness. The best solutions are selected and combined to create new ones, which are then slightly altered or mutated. Over time, the population of solutions evolves, getting closer and closer to the optimal answer. Why is this important? Well, genetic algorithms are incredibly useful for optimization problems where the search space is vast and complex. Think about optimizing traffic flow in a city, designing efficient networks, or even fine-tuning machine learning models. These problems often have numerous variables and constraints, making them difficult to solve using traditional methods. Genetic algorithms, with their ability to explore a wide range of solutions and adapt over time, can find highly effective answers. What makes them even more fascinating is their robustness. They can handle noisy or incomplete data, and they're less likely to get stuck in local optima compared to other optimization techniques. This makes them perfect for real-world applications where conditions can change or where perfect information isn't always available. So, if you're a tech enthusiast looking to dive into the world of optimization, genetic algorithms are definitely worth exploring. They offer a powerful and flexible approach to solving some of the most challenging problems out there. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech insights. See you next time.